Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you a poem. The title of the poem is If I Were an Astronaut. In this poem, you will not find the poet's name given, so you needn't worry about it. Let's read the poem and find out what the speaker wishes to see and experience if he were an astronaut. If I were an astronaut, I would fly to any planet of note, stake my claim forthright there, and start dwelling without a care. I would then breathe in air fresh and pure, for no pollution there will ever dare. No grime or dust, smoke or smog, for sure you will never face any fog. I will roam at will, stroll at leisure, every place there I will treasure. My time will be my own to spend, no useless tasks will I attend. Smoothly will I among the planets glide, seemingly effortless my body will slide. If I were an astronaut, I would fly to any planet of note. In this poem, the poet wishes to be an astronaut, and he says that if he were an astronaut, he would fly to any known planet. So, first of all, we should understand who is an astronaut. An astronaut is a space scientist, a person who travels into space for research. Stake my claim forthright there and start dwelling without a care. So the poet would reach any planet and say that it is his and he is the owner of that planet, and he would start living there without any care, means without taking anybody's permission. There he would breathe fresh and pure air because there is no pollution there, because there is no factories or there is no vehicles over there. No grime or dust, smoke or smog. For sure you will never face any fog. On that planet there will not be any dirt or dust or smoke or smog. And he will not also face any problem of fog, because all these things are features of the planet Earth. He will roam at will, stroll at leisure. Every place there he will treasure. Means that the poet will go to places wherever he would like to, and every place he would like and enjoy. He will enjoy the beauty of the planet. My time will be my own to spend, no useless tasks will I attend. The poet says that he will spend his time according to his own wish, and he will not listen to anybody's command. No useless tasks will I attend. He will do whatever he will like, and he will not have to listen to anyone's orders. Smoothly will I among the planets glide, means that the poet will fly freely among the planets in the air because there is no gravity there in the space, and seemingly effortless my body will slide. The poet says that without any effort his body will slide to wherever he wants, and all this will be possible if he was an astronaut and he would fly to any planet of note. So I hope, children, you have understood the poem and you would see this video twice or thrice to have a better concept of this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.